All right, this morning I'm just buttoning up a few things before we try and light Chad Greer's motor off. I just want to point a couple things out. This is a typical piece of paper that comes with a Casper's tool. You can see it doesn't line up with the BHJ, and that's okay. The BHJ is a little bit smaller in diameter than a stock balancer, so this is a stock balancer, or TA balancer would be the same diameter as a stock balancer. The BHJ guys just use that line right there. I had to do some digging on that to confirm that yesterday. In the back, I have a JW the Wheel flywheel. High quality piece. Made in USA. You can see by my arrows, I have not very much there, but a significant amount of offset here. That's not in the actual flywheel problem. That's the crankshaft. This is a Chinese crankshaft. You know, they all have a little bit of variance. There's another thing I want to show, but I need to take the flywheel off, so I'm going to take that off. Okay, so the flywheel's off. Yep, I haven't put the plugs in the back of the motor yet. You can see how this one here is undercut, which is good. That's the way the factory crank is. Not all Chinese cranks are this way. If you have one that's not, then you're going to have to take the flywheel and you're going to have to chamfer this edge. There's many different ways to chamfer the edge. You can do it with a good old die grinder. They make these big old cones in the Goodson catalog. You can do that, but that will keep this from riding up on here and causing a problem. This one here is not going to have that problem. So these are just a couple things to look at when you're installing aftermarket parts. I mean, the balancer and the JW are American-made quality pieces. The crank it's a quality Chinese crank. It's just not perfect. If this was all stock stuff, it would bolt right together. You'd have really no jerking off. But just a couple things to look for, and I will get busy trying to get this thing running.